Perfect, perfect, perfect. Welcome back, everybody. We are going to get wet. That is all I'm saying. If you haven't been watching the news, Texas has been inundated with water. So just to show you how much water we're getting, this is normally dry. After a good rain, we might have an inch of water in it. Like, you can barely see the concrete. That is nuts. That probably has a good foot and a half of water in it. And the rain is just going to keep coming. All right, so let's get out of here. I got my directional mic on, so hopefully the wind's not too bad. My feet are very wet walking through the field here. Whoop. I got my glasses on, so I can't see up close. So I am like crazy, can't see right now. But I don't have enough hands. Okay, so we have water over my shoes. My wife's probably looking at me like I'm crazy. But I just want to document some of this. Go down here to this one. There's never any water in this one, ever. Look at the force. Crazy, eh? And this is Texas. This isn't Ohio where, you know, so when I was walking through the field, we have this clay and the water is not being absorbed into the ground. It's just sitting on the clay. So that's part of it. The runoff is just crazy. Like in that yard, all the water that's pooling. Oh, she be raining. She be raining now. My wife. I think she's videotaping me, videotaping her. Too funny how she's waving at us. I don't want to let go of the umbrella. Craziness. Texas, people, of all places. There she is. Woo!
Crazy has been filming for his YouTube show out in the rain.
Welcome back, everybody. We have taken to the car. We're behind the house just to show you. Now, we're not going to do anything stupid. We're not going to drive through any flood water. I don't recommend people going out looking for floods. But just so I can document, you know, how much water we're getting. So this one that's coming this direction is the one behind our house. The other one is coming off of a road. And you can see the water coming from our house. It has a ton of water, and we're gonna go ahead and roll the window up so my wife doesn't get wet. Wetter. So just, that is so much water down there. So all of this comes together. Here we go.
Warning is in effect for the area until 1:30. This is a dangerous and life-threatening situation. Do not attempt to travel unless you are fleeing an area subject to flooding or under an evacuation order.
So there we go. I got that this morning. Not only were we under a watch, but we're also under a warning. And the watch, if you don't know, a watch's conditions are likely to happen. A warning means flash flood is happening to shelter. So that is the difference between the two, if you didn't know.
The warning is until 3 p.m. today, the flash flood warning. Oh, it's got two different ones.
Oh, two warnings?
There's a flash, one of them said, Guadalupe County.
And that's us.
Till 3 p.m. Flash flood warning for southwestern Caldwell County, south central Texas, northeastern Gonzales County, south central eastern Guadalupe County to south in south central Texas until 3. So we're until 3.
Wow. What time is it now? 12:30?
Yeah, 12:05 Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms reducing rain across the warned area between 4 and 8 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is already occurring. Life-threatening flash flooding, thunderstorms producing flash flooding.
All right, so this is where they all kind of come together. And they come underneath us. And as you can see, we still have plenty of room to contain all this water. But, you know, this is Texas. This is not Louisiana. This is dry hill country area. That's crazy. And then, you know, what's dangerous with a flash flood? So we just had the Guadalupe in Kerrville. They had a flash flood, and it grew within an hour's time from a foot deep to 30 foot of water moving down through the Guadalupe. I need to go this way. I don't know this neighborhood very well. Watch out, Ford coming through. You know, so when you have a river that goes from 0 feet to 30, you can't outrun that wall of water. Let's go up to where the river flows over the road. So we have a lot of those. So the thing about Texas is they don't build a lot of bridges over the water. They just build the road to go through the river or the drainage ditch or whatever you want to call it. And we have two down by our house. I probably didn't hit record.
That whole thing?
Yeah. I don't think I hit record, people. We're gonna do it again. Well, that sucks. Yeah, I'm going to. Ooh, that's deep. A lot deeper on that side. Okay, we're gonna pull over up here and we'll double check. It's the brain. The brain is the first thing to go. Okay, crisis diverted. We hit record. So on that, I'm gonna let everybody go. We're just gonna keep an eye. I don't think we're gonna do anything today. We're just gonna chill and maybe clean the house. That way we get one day of no rain. Oh, look at that. That is definitely full of water. Crazy. So I will let everybody go. If you could, give me a big old thumbs up. Stay safe, everybody. I'll see you down the road. Hey, welcome back, everybody. So we made it to Canyon Lake, and I'm pretty sure I got some photos of when I was here last. So when I was here last, there was none. This water was not existent. Let me spin you back around. So the water, where's my finger? There it is. Was right back here along that ledge. So all of this was dry. So after that deluge on the Guadalupe, we're actually, Canyon Lake is filling up quite a bit. Crazy. Much needed rain in this section. Welcome back, everybody. So we have come to a place where all the debris has washed up, and the smell down here is something. You know, we're all saying that they probably should be searching underneath this stuff. As you can see, I mean, it just goes on. There's a ton of debris, and all of this has come from the river. When that 26 wall of water came down. But yeah, so I can't smell. Just years and years in the automotive shop and chemicals, and it's got a scent down here. It's quite disgusting what it smells like. Oh, they got a drone up. If I had my other hand, I could zoom in on it, but I don't have my other hand. You got it? Oh, I can't even see it with these glasses. Nope. So, all right, everybody, I'm gonna let you go, but they got a drone up. A plane just went by. So maybe they are searching this. You think they would be out in boats, but yeah, it's just massive debris field. All right, everybody, take it easy.